Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jeep Doc. I'm Rick. Today, we're going to be working on the JK, putting in these upper adjustable control arms for Synergy. Alright, hey guys, so I ran into a little issue. So when we put the lower control arms in, I made the mistake of putting them in upside down. So Chris and I have gone and corrected the issue. We got the new control arm. This bow is supposed to be up, not down. I was a big dummy. Told Chris to put them in the wrong way, and that's what we did. So we've gone ahead and corrected that. Now I'm going ahead and got the upper control arms out. It's easier to lube these guys up once they're out. So we're gonna go ahead and anti-seize those guys up. Get that all put back in into the suggested starting length, because Synergy sends you directions. Who would have thought? So now we've got the control arms put in correctly. Got the coil springs in that we've got to take back out so we can drill a hole on the pad and put in the bump stops. Make sure you do that before you put your springs in. Don't be like me. What do you say, Chris?
Don't be like Rick.
All right, so next on the list is getting these bump stops mounted to the perch pad. You have to drill a hole in the perch pad to get the bolt to go through one of them. What you do is, see how this hole is recessed in this bump stop? You take and you mount that bump stop onto the perch pad with a bolt going down through the center of it. These are recessed bolts, Allen head. So Chris is trying to attempt to snap these bump stops together by hand.
They're real tight. I missed the gym today.
So Chris is actually stronger than I am. And we both tried. We can't do this.
Not gonna work.
Not gonna work. All right, so let's put it in the vise. These things are a booger. I don't know how we're gonna get them snapped in place on the other one. Boom. There it is. Hey, good job, Chris.
Got him.
All right, so we're gonna start off with just 3 bump stops. So 3 meaning you can see 2 here. Flip it sideways. So you can see there's 2 of them here. And what you do is you mount this guy first on the spring perch, and then you got to fight with that to get that locked in place. It doesn't want to come out.
Yay!
Smack the camera. Ow!
On.
All right. It should do it. Okay. All right, so Chris got a crowbar in there. We're going to snap these blocks in place. Boom. I can only imagine how hard that is to get out when you want them to come out. That took a lot of force to get this snapped in place. They're not going anywhere, that's for sure.
Look like they've got these grooves for feeding to pry them out.
Yeah. All right, that part's done. We corrected the control arms, got the springs back in, lubricated the upper control arms, and then we get to put it all back together. Yay!
Let's go.
All right, so this is what we're doing. If you guys couldn't see what we did before, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of this painter's tape, shove the pucks up in there.
What's upside down?
Yeah, it's upside down. All right, so you see, now you take the painter's tape, stick over a couple of coils.
Hold that.
Got it. Sort of in the center of it. That'll act as a stopper. Voila! Now you don't have to fight with that stuff to get the spring put in. Good idea, Chris. Alright, so we're having to drill the sway bar out half an inch in order to fit the Synergy sway bar end links. So we got the end links chucked up in the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some anti-seize on these threads also, and then on this end it goes through the sway bar. We're gonna put red Loctite on that just so it doesn't come off, and torque those down to the factory specs. All right, so we're gonna get after it. All right, guys, hey, check it out. So we lost a little bit of footage. After we drilled the knuckle, we went ahead and installed the Synergy high steer drag link. Got that all put in. Got the track bar all in. Everything's marked, so you can do a quick nut and bolt check, make sure nothing is loose. But you can see we got the Fox steering stabilizer put in. I use a paint marker on mine to make sure everything is nice and tight and nothing has come loose. It's a quick, easy way of checking things. So anyway, everything's in. Me and Chris are getting ready to take it on test drive. Okay, so we're drawing this to an end. We actually finished the lift kit. Yay! We're on the test drive. I'll let you know how it works out. Be right back. Ah! All right, guys, check it out. So we've got it pretty much finished for right now. We went ahead and got the Milestar Patagonias put on. Those are 35s. We didn't want to go too crazy with this. Again, this is my wife's Jeep daily driver. She doesn't drive very far, but anyway, we got the Synergy high steer put in. Got a new Fox steering stabilizer and a solid diff cover put on. I've had that for a little while, neglected to put it in. But as you can see, we've got everything paint marked up. And I think she looks pretty good. So the next thing to do is we got to put the light bar in from Empower Lights. And we got to get her some sort of a step. What do you guys recommend for a step? I think I have one picked out, but I'd like to know your guys' opinion so we can get that done for her. Also, we still have gears to put in this. I got 456 Yukons. It already has lockers. Obviously, it's a Rubicon. So anyway, we're going to get that done here in January. It's no big deal right now. It seems to be doing fine with the 373s that come in this thing. And it's the 5-speed automatic, so it seems to do pretty well. But I think she looks pretty good. And this is only one of the steps for this one. We plan on taking this one out to Sand Hollow in October and seeing some of you guys. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell. And that helps us out tremendously if you could. It's free. So again, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Jeep Doc out.